So I received a lovely package in the mail from Simply Earth. And I don't know if you remember, but a few months ago I shared on the channel, they sponsored me back then, and I absolutely love their product so much that I've been receiving it for the last few months. And I diffuse it in my diffusers. I use it for cleaning. I've shared with you how I even dilute it. One of my favorite smells is the pine essential oil, and I diffused it with water, and I clean my craft table with it, and it just smells beautiful. I diffuse it in my diffusers in my craft room, and my kids love it. They're even like, Mom, can you put some in my room? So my son has a diffuser in his bedroom. One of my favorite ones is the Dream one. It's a little blue bottle that I received a couple months ago. Anyways, this is the October box. My very first box, they sent me a starter pack. It came with the rollers, the little bottles, you can mix and match, and then every month if you sign up with them, they send you a bunch of recipe cards. Let's open this one up here. And usually like a little DIY. So I absolutely love their program. It is so, and they stand behind human trafficking. So 13% of their, how do they word it? 13% of, it would be like their profits, they donate to human trafficking. So sorry about that. The sun just came in and it completely made me white. Oh my gosh, my favorite thing of all things. Okay, so let's go through the bottles first. I'll share with you quickly what they are. I got, there is, and I do apologize if I don't pronounce these correctly because I'm not very up to speed with all the names. Cassia, that's one. Orange, which I love, and the thing with orange essential oils is it removes any little sticky residue. So if you have a sticker on something, it removes that very easily. I actually have a cheaper little essential oil of orange that I use for taking away the stickies in my craft room. And oh my gosh, balsam fir for Christmas. I love it. And I want to say thank you to Simply Earth for having reached out to me, because I would have never heard of your company. So I'm super happy that you did reach out to me. And there's Focus. I'm just going to smell them because we all like different smells. Focus is nice. I want to smell balsam fir for sure, because this is something I will diffuse for Christmas around the house. Oh my God, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so, and each of the little bottles is 15 mils, and they do have a website. You don't have to have a subscription. They have individual little things for sale, like bottles, and they have diffusers, and they have, oh my gosh, so many things on there that you can shop for. Their shop is very professional. I absolutely love their website. It's very nice and easy to browse through. But this month I got Fall Diffuser Blend, Focus Lip Balm, Cassia and Orange Candle, Cassia and Balsam Fir Candle, Joint Pain Roll On, and Aromatherapy Rice Bag. Now look at this. They sent me 2 little lip balm tubes and then the DIY recipe card, right? So now I just followed the simple instructions on here and I create my own little lip balm. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Then they also sent me, wow, this package was like a super bonus package. I got soy wax, which is beautiful, and 2 little candle starter wicks just to put in, and I can even use the little mason jars from the Dollar Tree, you know, those teeny tiny ones, and make a cute little candle with this. I think I might experiment with that. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. I also wanted to give you guys a heads up on this. Was the October box, the subscription box. I do have a link that they have provided. They haven't sponsored this video, but they are offering you guys a $40 gift card if you follow my link down below. I believe after your first purchase, you can put it towards, it's like a credit towards your account, which definitely take advantage of, because who doesn't like to have a little bit of an extra kind of buy one, get something out of it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was super quick little unboxing, but I do have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys, so that's what I'm going to film next and then post that to the channel as well. All right, bye for now.